Are you tired of feeling lost every time you open Canva? You're not alone. But guess what? Mastering Canva doesn't need to take months or money. In this video, I'll show you how to design like a pro using just the free version. Before we start, click the link in the description to discover how you can turn simple design skills into a full-time income from home. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we turn free tools into pro-level wins without the confusion. If Canva feels like a maze of buttons and crowns, this is your complete beginner roadmap. Everything you need to master it from scratch in one straight shot. No fluff, no paid upsells. We'll stick to the free account while highlighting pro perks only when they matter. I'll walk you through the dashboard, core tools, hidden hacks, and export tricks with screen share style steps you can follow right now. Before you move further, click the link in the description to see how people just like you are using Canva to build full-time income from home. First stop, signing in and the home screen. Head to canva.com, log in with Google or email. Boom, you're at the dashboard. The left sidebar shows Home, Projects, Templates, and more. The top search bar is your best friend. Type Instagram post or flyer for instant-sized canvases. Recent designs live here. Star favorites by hovering and clicking the star icon to pin them under Starred for quick access. Pro tip: click the folder icon to create project folders like Client Work or Personal Brand. Keeps chaos out. Create a design. Top right, choose a custom size or preset. Pick Instagram post, 1080 x 1080 pixels, for our walkthrough. The blank canvas loads with a left panel showing pages, templates, elements, uploads, text, background, and apps. The right side is your canvas. The top bar holds undo, redo, and share. Zoom with the slider bottom right, 50% for overview, 100% for details. Templates are your shortcut to pro looks. Browse free ones. No crown means it's ready to use. Click one to apply. Everything is editable. Hate the colors? Select any element, and the top toolbar shows the color picker. Swap to hex codes or drag the wheel. Group elements by selecting multiple, hold Shift, right-click Group for easy moves. Elements panel. Search shapes for circles or lines. Drag to the canvas. The Photos tab has millions of free options. Search Coffee Shop for stock images. Frames. Drag a heart frame, then drop a photo into it for perfect cropping. Graphics for icons or stickers. Videos for short clips. Free versus pro? Crowns mean premium, but the free library is massive. Hack. Filter. Free at the top of search to skip paid results. Text tools. Click text in the left panel. Add a heading, subheading, or body. Select the text box to edit fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Use effects to curve, shadow, or lift text. Combine fonts like Montserrat Bold for headings and Open Sans for body text. Purple alignment lines appear automatically to help you snap elements into place. Layers and positioning. Select any item. Right-click to bring forward or send backward. Duplicate with Ctrl+CMD-D. Lock elements to avoid shifting designs. Grid view at the bottom left shows thumbnails of all pages. Drag to reorder for multi-page projects. Uploads. Add personal photos or logos. Drag them into the Uploads tab, then drop them onto the canvas. Magic Studio AI tools. Edit. Background remover. Isolate subjects instantly. Pro unlocks advanced tools like Magic Expand and Magic Grab, but free users can use the manual eraser. Backgrounds and color. Click the canvas, then explore backgrounds for solid colors or gradients. Brand Kit lets you save one free color palette and logo for easy reuse. Apps and integrations. Add-ons like Pexels for stock photos, QR code generator, or chart maker. Search chart, drag your data, and Canva auto-visualizes it. Multi-page projects, perfect for ebooks or presentations. Add pages via the plus icon. Copy elements across pages with Ctrl+CMD+C and paste. Resize group designs easily and use present mode for full-screen presentations with transitions and speaker notes. Exporting and sharing. Go to Share, Download. Use PNG for web, JPG for small files, PDF print for high quality, 300 dpi. Add crop marks if printing. Share links with anyone with link can view for client previews. Download as MP4 for videos. Quick workflow. Start with a template, swap a photo, edit text, add icons, apply shadows, and duplicate for a carousel. Export PNGs, done in minutes. Troubleshooting. If Canva freezes, press Escape. Clear cache for lag. Need perfect size? Use custom dimensions. Pixels for web, inches for print. Closing. There it is. Your full Canva Command Center unlocked. Practice one design today. Open a blank post, add text, photo, and shape, then export it. Before you leave, click the link in the description to learn how you can start making full-time income from home using Canva and other simple tools.